Mona Lisa, Mona Lisa. Pretty just ain't good enough. Mona Lisa, Mona Lisa. Gotta see the bigger picture, yeah. So you ain't gotta spend your whole life running. I know you're trying to chase all that money, yeah.
Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video, and if y'all haven't already, hit that subscribe button. So today's video is something a little bit different. I know y'all normally see me with my looks books, my hauls, in my house, in my little shoe background and all that, but I'm actually out and about. I am on my way to Uptown Cheapskate. It's kind of like a Plato's Closet where you can take some of your old stuff in and they give you cash back for it. As you know, if you follow me on social media, styledbylydiacassia or Littleohfancyme, I've been trying to get rid of a lot of things. I did take some things to Goodwill, and then I dropped some things off to that like red box where you can put your old shoes in. I did do that, but I still had a lot of stuff left. So I was like, oh my God, I need to get rid of this stuff. It's not really selling like that. But I did want to get rid of some things. So I tried to Plato's Closet. That did not work, y'all. I literally went in Plato's Closet. I think they only took like one item. They gave me $2, I think, for it was like a pair of jeans or something. They did take the jeans. They were like $2. But I did see that Uptown Cheapskate does take items as well. And I was like, oh yeah, they did just build one right up the street from my house, literally like 5 or 10 minutes. So I'm going to drop this stuff off and see how much they give me. I think I have good pieces, but they don't want my stuff. So we'll see what this location does and what they give me. I have 2 boxes of clothing items. I have some shoes. I have some blazers, like a jacket. So hopefully they give me something. I'm getting ready to drop it off now. So here are the 2 boxes that I have. So those are the 2 boxes of items I have. I'm getting ready to go in the store now. Let me just see what they give me, and I'll come back and tell you how much they gave me for the items. See y'all. Bye. Hi y'all, so I am back from out of the store. Did not go as planned. I had, of course, the box, and then I had another bag full of shoes and purses and different stuff like that. Nobody was in the store, so I actually went kind of quick. I signed in. They have you to create an account, so I created my account. I signed in. Nobody was in the store, so it took her about 10 minutes to run through the box and then the big bag that I had. But it was a fail. They did not take anything. They literally took 2 items. I had a Aeropostale denim jacket, and then they took this Target like dress. It was like a I think like a caramel, like brown dress that I got from Target like a while ago. So they took the Aeropostale jacket and then the caramel dress. So they were gonna, and then they were gonna take, I had this pair of Fashion Nova booties, brand new. Have not wore them, not once. I think I tried them on for a video, but have not wore them at all. They were gonna take that. So altogether, they was like, for the 3 items, $10. So I was like, I took my Fashion Nova booties back. I was like, no, I'm not gonna take $5 or $6 for those. Like, I paid okay amount of money for them. So I'm gonna see if I can resell them back on Poshmark. So I did let them take the denim jacket and then the caramel. So guys, all together I made, drum roll please, $4. They gave me $4 for 2 items. Bad, but hey, $4. Hey, I can go put some gas in my car. I think gas is like $2.95 or something like that. But overall, yeah, again, $4, and I'm left again with another box and a half full of stuff. So I'm gonna try Poshmark back up, or I might do a live or something. Or if you guys want anything, let me know. I have some of the stuff up on my Poshmark, which if you follow me on social media, styledbylydiacassia or Littleohfancyme, I do put up some of the items, or you can click the link in my bio and it'll take you straight to my Poshmark. But I have a brand new pair of Fashion Nova booties. They're black, crocodile material, all of that. I have some brand new dresses. So yeah. So overall, my upstate cheapskate little situation didn't go as planned. All I got was $4, but I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini video. I'm out and about, it's raining. I just wanted to kind of get rid of some things, and we'll figure out something to put this stuff. So if you like what you see, continue to like, comment, and subscribe. Just wanted to get on here and give you guys my experience for shopping at this location. I've never shopped at them before, but so that was my experience. It took about 10 or 15 minutes. I created an account. They ran through the box and a half of stuff that I have, and I got $4. So thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.